In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet to your bank account. In order to do this, you will need to utilize another exchange such as Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. And there's a bunch of other exchanges that you guys could use. But basically, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and send our crypto to those platforms. And in those platforms, we can go ahead and then withdraw them to our bank account. So let's go ahead and just get started, guys. I'm just going to walk you through the entire process. So the first thing you want to do is you want to locate the crypto or asset that you're trying to go ahead and cash out. So for this video, we're going to go ahead and withdraw our Ethereum into our bank account. So I'm just going to be selecting on Ethereum. Then you want to go ahead and select on this button that does say send. Then it is going to give us an option that says enter address or domain name. And basically we need to go ahead and add in the address of that particular exchange that we're using. So for this video, we're going to be working with Coinbase, but obviously you can go ahead and use something like Binance or Kraken. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up Coinbase really quickly. All right, guys, so here I am in Coinbase. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going to the bottom and selecting on this transfer button like so. Then go ahead and select on receive crypto. Then it is going to open up a menu that looks like this. And all we need to do is we need to go ahead and look up the asset that we're trying to actually withdraw. So remember, we are working with Ethereum in this video. So I would go ahead and select on Ethereum. Then I'll go ahead and select on Ethereum one more time. And then it is going to give you your address like so. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just copy it to your clipboard. Then go back to Trust Wallet like so. And once you're back in Trust Wallet, all you want to do is paste in the address name or domain name. And then all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on how much Ethereum you want to go ahead and send. All right, so I'm just going to send the maximum amount. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on next once you're done with that. And then if everything is lined up, then it is going to give you a page that looks like this. It is going to give you a brief overview of the actual transfer. Make sure that you are using the correct wallet address, because if you use the wrong one, then there is a high likelihood that you could lose all your cryptocurrencies. So please just make sure that your address is correct, which it should be if you did copy it directly from your exchange. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on confirm, and it is going to ask me for the passcode. So I apologize if my screen is black or it might not actually be visible. I have no idea. And then there you go. Once you're done with that, it will say the transaction is in progress. Blockchain validation is underway. And you guys can go ahead and select on the transaction details as well, where you can go ahead and take a look at the status, what time it was, and of course the recipient of it and the network fee. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the exchange. So again, I'm using Coinbase, and all we need to do is we need to wait a couple of minutes in order for the crypto to actually reach our account. And if we actually go to the bottom menu and select on this paper icon, then you will actually see that we do have our funds currently pending. So all you need to do is just wait it out until it is actually hit your account. And within a couple of minutes, you should be able to notice that the funds will now reach your account. Anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select over here where it says crypto. Then go ahead and select on the crypto that you did just receive. So again, we just received around $9 worth of Ethereum. So I'm just going to be selecting on Ethereum like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and select on this option that does say buy and sell. Then I'm going to go ahead and select on the option that does say sell. And basically from here, go ahead and select on how much Ethereum you want to go ahead and sell into cash. And then with that cash, we can actually go ahead and withdraw that to our bank account. So from here, go ahead and select on how much of the asset or cryptocurrency you're trying to withdraw into your bank account. All right, so once you went ahead and selected on how much of the asset you're trying to withdraw, make sure that where it says to, that cash USD is selected, and you should be able to select it from here. You can go ahead and just search it up on the search bar as well. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, go ahead and press on review order. Then go ahead and press on sell now. All right, once you press on sell now, it will now say order submitted, and then go ahead and just press on done. And you guys can check up on your transaction right over here. But anyways, guys, the next thing you want to do is you want to go back to the home page, and then this time you want to go ahead and select on cash. And you will now notice that we will get some additional cash in our account, which we did get from selling the asset. So what we're going to be doing now is we're just going to be selecting on United States dollar. Then we're going to go ahead and press on withdraw. Then go ahead and enter in the amount you want to go ahead and withdraw to your bank account. So I'm just going to be selecting on maximum, and you may not be able to see my screen for privacy reasons, but basically you want to make sure that underneath withdraw that it does say United States dollar, and you guys can go ahead and select on what account to transfer it to. So I'm just going to be using my bank account really quickly, but there will also be a button that says add a payment method. And from here, you guys could add payment methods like bank accounts, debit cards, wire transfers. These are all great options that you guys could use in order to withdraw money. And then it is going to give you a brief overview of the entire transaction. And once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and press on withdraw cash now. And then it is actually going to take the funds to your bank account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.